Hello and welcome to Wice Learning. This is Pavan. Let's get started. So today what we are going to see is we are going to look at some key features of blockchain, and also we can define what blockchain is about. So blockchain is a chain of blocks containing information, and it was first discussed in 1991. The concept behind it was to timestamp the digital papers so that it cannot be tampered with. But until 2009 it went really unnoticed, until Satoshi Nakamoto used the same concept to develop Bitcoin. So what are the key features of blockchain? The first one would be provenance. So let's look at provenance. The simple definition of provenance is place of origin. So where it come from. So every transaction in the blockchain is related to where the transaction has come from and where it went. So we can actually trace back the place of origin, or we can actually trace back the origin of the transaction where it has been done. That's the beauty of the blockchain in provenance. So how can we use it to our advantage in blockchain? Basically you can avoid tax avoidance, and also we can minimize or maybe eradicate corruptions. But one of the key features and one of the best features of having provenance in a blockchain is with the retailers or medical research or anything like that. Why? Because see, as I told you, provenance is a place of origin. So take a retail for example. In the retail, what we do is we buy a shirt. Say for example, we want to buy a shirt. You go to Jack and Jones and you buy a shirt. And what happens is, if you want to know the goods, where it has come from, where it has originated, and till the time you buy, so you want to know the complete history of your product, then the blockchain can give to the retailers, and the retailers thereby have satisfied customers. An example, take medical field and where the drug has come from, where it originated, what is in the drug, and how it passed from the place of origin till the medical shop or till your hands. If you want to know that, the blockchain can provide you all those things. So that's the beauty of provenance is having a feature in the blockchain. The next one what we are looking at is consensus. Consensus is a very beautiful idea here, and you can clearly define it as a group of people agreeing on one single truth is called consensus. And what is consensus has to do with blockchain again? So basically, once a transaction happens in the blockchain, or once an event happens in the blockchain, who is the one who is going to validate it? Because as we all know, blockchain is a decentralized authority. It's not having one single centralized person who's sitting to look over the transactions. So basically, it uses the formula of consensus, where people as a group come and decide whether it's the truth or not. So that gives a pure validation in the blockchain. So next comes security and immutability. So what does blockchain give you is security and immutability. And nowadays, any technology you take, nowadays any technology which comes in the market is one big threat is security. Security, say for example, what happened with the Facebook, or security with what happened to any hacks going on in the technology wise. So security is one of the basic concerns in any technology. So blockchain gives you one of the best securities available, because it is immutable. What does it mean? Because it means that anything you do in a blockchain, any transactions you do in a blockchain, any events you do in a blockchain cannot be changed, cannot be tampered with. So that gives you the immutability feature of the blockchain, where everything what is said and done is written there forever. So that way the blockchain can give you a perfect security, and you can do business with people even whom you don't trust. The other one would be highly availability. What is high availability? High availability in the blockchain means that the blockchain, as I told you, is not one central unit, or it is not controlled by one central server. So it is a decentralized project. So when it says decentralized, the availability of the blockchain is everywhere. So it cannot be shut down, it cannot be controlled by one person to just one day he comes up and says, okay, I'm going to shut down this system. It can't happen in blockchain. So blockchain will help you to use it 24/7, 365 days around the year. You can work on the blockchain, and around the year it will serve to the customers who will use the blockchain. So that's one of the best key features of the blockchain, I would say. Next one is finality. Finality, as I told you, it's once written, it's fixed. So once anything goes into the blockchain, once any transactions happens, it more or probably it's fixed. So that gives a very strong bond between two people who want to do business, and they don't have to trust each other, they don't have to meet each other even, but still they can do it for smart contracts, and which we'll be dealing with in the next few chapters as smart contracts, one of the beautiful topics in blockchain. So to sum it up, the features of the blockchain is: one is provenance, 2 is consensus, 3 high availability, 4 immutability, and finality is the last one. So see you in the next class with a few more topics. Thank you.